Good morning, friends, and welcome to another quarantine video. Yes, we are still in the house, getting a little stir crazy, but you know, this is all for the greater good, hoping that we can get through this really fast and or whenever we're ready. I mean, just be sure that you're staying in your house so that we can get through this. It's Sunday morning, so we're gonna do a little breakfast in bed action. I actually just got through with a walk, so I'm gonna go make some fun. Well, I'm gonna try to do an easy breakfast, but make it fun. Probably know, as you've seen some of my other videos, I love Trader Joe's. So we're gonna have some turkey bacon, which is not quite as good as real bacon, but it's just it has so many less calories in it and so much better for you. I just don't like to eat a lot of pork. I really don't eat a ton of meat, period. I know my husband probably wishes that it's gonna be real bacon, but it's fine. I got a new burritos set from Trader Joe's, and I think that it's very plant-based. I think it's just rice and beans. I could be wrong, but I think that's the one that we're gonna go with. It's just the one that has rice and beans because he loves those. I have some Spider-Man waffles, some Mickey waffles, because I am missing Disney World terribly about now, and some eggs with some cheese in it. And yeah, we'll just see what else we can kind of find in there and just make a big breakfast in bed. Also, if you watch any of these videos, I don't really ever do cooking videos because I am not a cook whatsoever. My dad very much is, my husband very much is, my mom kind of is. I am not. I'm trying to learn and get better. I enjoy cooking, but I just like going out to eat so much more better, just because it's so much easier and the cleanup is always so much better, since I feel like I'm very messy when I cook. So I'm gonna try to clean along the way and make sure that the kitchen's not a complete disaster by the time that we're done. But just come along and we're gonna make some breakfast, so let's go do it. We did finish up breakfast, and I hope that you enjoyed making it with me. It was super easy. As you can tell, everything is pretty much just laid out, and if I can figure it out, then anyone can figure out how to do it. The burrito was actually a surprise hit. My husband said it was very good. I'm not crazy about those, about burritos, but he loves them, and he gave them 2 thumbs up. So if you're at Trader Joe's next time when you have to make an emergency run, definitely pick up some of those. As you can see, it's just a beautiful, calm, relaxing day here, and we're gonna watch some movies. I might do a puzzle, probably go back out for another walk, and I may organize my office some and think of videos that I can do for you guys while we're all quarantined in this together. So have a wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you next time. Bye.